everyone, I'm Ali. This is my friend, Crescent.
Hi, I'm Crescent.
We both love Hanfu and traditional Chinese culture. That's why we're both wearing Hanfu today. The Hanfu style I am wearing today, the one on the inside, is a standing collar shirt. I have talked about it in my previous video, so if you haven't seen it, check it out here. And in my next video, I will be talking about this vest, also Ming Dynasty, and so stay tuned for that. But for this video, since the Chinese holiday Mid-Autumn Festival is coming up, we're going to teach you something very useful, which is how to make mooncake. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the filling. The first one is red bean paste. Soak 1 cup of red beans in cold water for 3 hours. Bring to a boil and then simmer for 30 minutes. Transfer to a blender, add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of butter, blend together. Simmer again until all the water has been absorbed, then let it chill. The mung bean paste follows the exact same steps. Soak in water for 3 hours. Bring to a boil and then simmer for 30 minutes. Transfer to a blender, add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of butter. Blend together. Simmer again until all the water has been absorbed, then let it chill. The third one is taro paste. Dice the taro root. Be careful, uncooked taro is poisonous and can cause irritation when consumed raw. Don't ask me why I know, just don't eat it raw. Bring the taro to a boil, then simmer for 30 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed. Transfer to a blender, add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of butter, blend together. Simmer again if actual liquid was used in the blending step, or you can manually mash it into a paste. Next, let's make the skin. These are all the ingredients we're using. Half cup of glutinous rice flour, half cup of rice flour, and a 1/4 cup of tapioca starch to substitute wheat starch for this gluten-free recipe. A 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil, 200 milliliters of milk, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, or however much you prefer. Mix them all together and make sure you leave no lumps. This batter is enough to make 10 to 20 mooncakes depending on the size, and we're going to repeat this 3 times to make 3 different flavors. The first skin is matcha flavored. Add matcha powder into the batter and mix well. We added a lot of matcha here and it can taste somewhat bitter. I would recommend no more than 2 tablespoons for color and taste. The second skin is rose flavored. We used dried rose buds here. Separate the stem from the petals. Then cut or tear the petals into smaller pieces. Add them into the batter and mix well. The third skin is mango flavored. Blend mango pieces into juice and add into the batter. Reduce the milk amount in this batter as mango juice will throw off the liquid to flour ratio. An easier alternative will be to use food coloring. After the batter mixture is ready, use a steamer or double boiler to heat it up and stir occasionally. It takes 25 minutes or until the batter firms up with a smooth surface. Chill for 2 hours. Now it's time to make the mooncakes. Take out the chilled filling and skin from the fridge. This is the taro paste with mango skin. Make the taro paste into a ball. Take a slightly larger portion from the skin and make it flat. You can use some flour on your hands to make it less sticky. Wrap the skin around the filling and make a ball. Add some flour on the ball as well. We use the modern plastic mold with removable patterns. Keep the mold on the bottom surface and push the center mechanism all the way down, and then lift the mold slowly while pushing down the center spring. This one is the mung bean paste with rose petal skin. Flatten the skin, put in the filling, and roll it into a ball. Add some flour on the outside. We're using a clear mold to show you the process. The last one is red bean paste with matcha skin. We switched to another mold pattern this time. There's a place for a tiny flower on the mold, so we're adding a little piece of decoration using the mango skin. Add it on the mold first and then press down into the ball. Chill and serve for better texture and flavor. These are the 3 flavors we made today: taro paste in mango skin, mung bean paste in rose skin, and red bean paste in matcha skin. I personally like the mango and taro one the most. The rose one is really fragrant, and the red bean and matcha is a classic combination. Unfortunately, you can't get ready-made gluten-free mooncakes on the market, but now you know how to make them yourself. I hope the mooncake recipe is simple and easy enough for you to follow. I hope you can all make delicious mooncakes at home for Mid-Autumn Festival. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have anything else you want to learn, or if you have anything you want to tell me, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be making more videos on traditional Chinese culture, beauty, and fashion. And also, this vest is coming up in the next video, so stay tuned. Last but not least, happy Mid-Autumn Festival to you guys. See you next time. Bye.